Josh Emmett is set to go down against Bryce Mitchell, and I'm pretty much looking forward to this fight, as Josh Emmett is on a 2-fight losing skid to Ilia Topuria and Yair Rodriguez. He's tough as nails, and Bryce Mitchell is on a good streak, solid streak, 5 10 17 inches of reach. Mitchell defeated Dan Iggy. Yes, he lost to Ilia Topuria via arm triangle choke, I know that, but it just wasn't his day. He was better than Barboza, Philly, Rosa. I don't think he will be able to submit Josh Emmett that easily. I mean, Yair Rodriguez pulled out the upset, and Yair Rodriguez did the impossible, so I see this going all 3 rounds or all 5. I don't know whether it's going to be the main event or not, but as much as I know, it should be a 3-rounder, and I'm going to go with over 2.5. I expect a very tough war. If I must go with a side pick, I would go with Mitchell, because I think he's on a better skid at the moment. I think he's in a better shape, but Emmett is super tough. It's very, very hard to finish him. Gonna be a great fight to watch, and very technical.